Hello again, and again about the coffee machine, DeLonghi Magnifica. So my coffee start losing strength and the taste start getting weird. So, and common issue is this plate. It looks like a metal plate, but actually it's not a plate. It's a mesh, and when that gets dirty, then it start making the kind of small spillage like you see in this photo. There is a small spillage inside, and that's most likely if it's the mesh is blocked because the water is not going through that much as it's supposed to go. So all you need to do is just take the screwdriver, remove this top. It looks like the metal plate, which actually is not the metal plate. There is very tiny holes inside. So let's remove that one off. Can I get right there? No. Let's try the bolt. No. Come on. Okay, we get it off. And yeah, as you can see at the bottom, it's all dirty. In here as well, you can see all coffee bits. You see, that all needs to be cleaned off. It needs to be clean. When it's clean, then again your coffee will taste good and there won't be any spillage inside of the coffee machine. Let's try to get those things off. Small coffee particles, when it's blocked also the coffee taste as well not gonna be exactly the same as it's supposed to. Okay, that looks clean. And now let's clean this one. You see how it looks now. And when you clean it off, it should look kind of shiny. I will demonstrate you how it's in. Those all small holes, you see, start getting shiny. Back to normal. Let me get the torch. I will show you how it's actually. So you see, when you're getting the torch, you can see clear. See, it's shining through. There's very tiny small holes inside, and when they are blocked, it's obviously not letting the water get through. So I don't know, can you see or no? But yeah. Like this, you can see there is small tiny holes inside. Which on this how it looks, you see, and those holes needs to be cleaned. As soon as you will clean those, your coffee will start get back to normal and won't leave any spillage into the coffee machine. So let's tighten up and let's test it out. Okay. Obviously I'll leave it to dry it off because I don't like to put the wet unit back into the coffee machine, because obviously if you're gonna put the wet one in, it will pick up all small parts from the coffee. So obviously I will pause the video, and when it's dry I will demonstrate how it looks after. Okay, let's just start.
So let's make a coffee. And let's see what's going on. Show you the difference also.
Okay. Let's open it and let's have a look at the spillage. So I can't see much here. Let's get the torch. And as you can see, there's no spillage. All good. Mostly there will be dripping something from the there, but yeah, inside there's no spillage. It's all clean. Thank you for the watching, and I hope that helps you.